hospital. I mean, you already played it. You know, just deal with this. Headshot. There you go. Never mind, bro. Time to go in room 5. Oh, there's a bed monster. I wish I could just give him the maple. See? Roll up. What you need, bruh? Herbs. You need herbs. You need herbs. Oh my farts. Well, I have more carry capacity. I got shocked from suspicious people. And one of them is suspicious. I'm looking at. Can you say what's your name, suspicious guy? Your name is McFurry. Cool. Mamacito. Ugly guy. Get out. Man, I got 13 seconds. Easy peasy. Lemon squaresy. I'm getting out of here. Man, you get out of here. Bro, I need your help. Like, are you recovering, patient 3? Man, I'll do that later if they're recovering. 7, time to do musical. Man, why is it like this? Set up. I actually know how to do this. I'm just tapping all of it. You can actually go over. What you need? Oh, I forgot. I gotta collect this. Bro. Yay, coffee! Man, bro, you not letting me have any coffee. How do I know that you're taking coffee? But I actually got a good memory. But it's the same. That was easy. There's one camera down. Man, but why do I have to take all the cameras? Where is it at? Where's that camera? Man. Big roommate. Should I do roommate? Well, what do you mean? I'm not turning you off. You're an ugly. You have red eyes. What's the server? I gotta go. Okay, what is it? Okay. Bandage. Organ. Scalpel. After this, I gotta lock in. Transplant. What's the medikit? I'll wait for 10 seconds. I'm not doing it. Yeah, I'm not doing it. I'm gonna let him die. No, you're not dying. But I did done. Is room 7 all good in here? I'm really doing it. This is easy. Where you gonna go? I'm drinking my coffee until it gets like low sanity. I'm helping. Man, take this. My coffee.
Break the poster.
Bro, why you want to break the poster when
Break down
Rathy's...
the poster.
Okay, bro, why'd you break down the poster when Rathy's not here? Stop with the... Take a look, bro. I'm literally looking up. Okay, so I could look up. I forgot. Turn on to do heartbeat. Once again. I don't know why that goes down. Owie. Should I make a video if we have like stop. I'm looking up, dude. I'm literally looking up. You need thermal and cough. You need thermal and you need cough. Bye-bye. Time to recover. The doctor is arriving, but there's no doctor. Oh, there's no... But I thought you had to skip doctor dialogue. What is this? I'm tasing you. Get ready for the hard lands of one. Anomaly master, please. Can I be anomaly master? Oh, there has been a huge anomaly attack. Watch out. Hurry up. I am! Is this room 6? Yeah, I am doing room 6. But what do you even need? Fire, bro! Where's room 4, bro? I can actually do this. I can actually do this so then I don't get hurted. Dude, there's still fire? I'm doing it! Oh, he died.
I told you to do this.
I'm hiding. Try to find me. Oh, man. Dude, they're really recovering. Right now, but I'm doing this. Hello? Run! Ah! Haha, you can't get me. Try to disappear. Thank you for disappearing. I don't thank you for disappearing. a specky guy over here. What you got, bro? Okay, herbs. Man, let me pick this camera up. Okay, I'm not fixed. Can I clear this? Thank you. What are you doing? I'm going to give him 4. I don't know. But I'm waiting for the shot to open.
Close that door on the
Nah.
I'm facing for the company, right?
Yeah.
I do that.
Fine. Man, who's trying to be anomaly? Where are you, anomaly? I'm not scared of you. Anomaly! Where are you?
Over there. Over there.
Animal 5! No, knock it out, knock it out. There you go, bro. Man, take this. Dude, I need coffee. I'm at 29 sanity. I'm tired. What? Nah, I'm closing the shutters on the doctor. Oh, never mind. I think we made like 2 videos today. Yeah, I made 2 videos. No ambulance will come. There's a bonus where you work. Yay! So we can double time money. Four. I'm not buying anything.
Buy one. Buy something.
I'm waiting for 1,000 so I can buy.
I need to buy anything.
There's 400. There's like 400. Now, where will the ambulance come? Wow, well. Okay, perfectly fine. What about, are you the... Yeah, you're perfectly fine. Well, I've been recording for like 14 minutes. Dude, I've been recording for like so long right now. Dude, like, what time is it right now? 3? What, 3 o'clock? It is 3:38. Almost it. Or, what is it? Herbs, maple, ivy drops. I got that. Remember, you need ointment, I think. So you need herbs.
Oh!
What do you mean? Oh, that was the ghost guy. I haven't seen him in a while. Like, where does he even go? I am doing room 8.
Oh no! No!
What?
No! Oh!
What do you mean? Nothing. Remember, stop. Ghosty. Remember, who's trying to ghost me? I have one more sip. So I'm gonna stay far. I'm secure normally. Okay, what do I need for 3? Ivy drops, band-aid, and scissors. Go! Hey, Normally, I know what you're doing. I'm waiting for you to come out to stage. Come on, bro. Red, orange, blue, pink. You need no sugar. Did I just saw someone in here? There's an anomaly attack. Hi, Ghosty! Ghosty! We can talk about this. Where are you, Ghosty? I see a Ghosty over here. Run! Where are you? Why are you after me? Get out! Crazy. He drew some bird. You gotta watch out for the ghosty guy. Huh? Where's the camera down? Check in. Dude, I can't believe we actually had a fight for the ghosty. Hello? Hello? Can you please shut up? I'm trying to work here. This is my first job. And that's my... Did I just saw someone over here? Saw Ghosty. How do you flickering? Are you who I think it is? Are you the one and only anomaly in this place? If you hide up here, the anomalies can get you. Because then, you could just parkour to die. But if you're slick enough, you could do this. Fall down. Who are you closing the shutters on? This guy, he's friendly. Who would do such a thing? seconds. Actually, 5 seconds. Who cares about 5? Put it. Put it on. Don't beep on me. Rainbow. Why is there too many squirrels? Dude, I'm actually cooking. Get off my face! Dude, I thought you killed the person. Is there any good thing? You have chocolate? I mean, I'll take that.
No, I need that.
Nah,
I'm 33.
I'm buying everything. Why not? I just buy everything. Well, you drinking water?
Let me also get my water. Man, it's empty. You have the chocolate? And I have the coffee.
True. Wait, what? I thought I got 60.
How does one of work? I do this
No. Fine.
one. You do one. Hey, do not do it like that. Why?
Man, who was this goofy guy? Ghosty. Man, I didn't saw the ghost. Did this ghost is on me?
There's a ghost over there.
Over there, where? I don't see any ghost flyer.
The door's opening it by itself.
Remember, I can't cut. Is he gone? Haha, you can't get me. Ghosty, I swear, if you give me a memory. Get out of there! Man, there's another ghost. Oh, wow, that's 0! Ghosty, I swear. I'm staying over here trying. Man, I'm out. Dude, I knew there was a ghost. There's another ghost. Oh, who's that? You can't deal with that. The extinguisher is only 18%. What am I worrying about? Okay, I'm just doing maybe this way. Dude, I knew it! There was a ghost over here! The ghost. Hello? Dude. So, where did Dude, where's the ghost at?
We have coffee if you need it.
I need it. Dude, I don't have a taser.
It's Mrs. Barney.
Dude! Why is there a ghost on me? Hi, ghosty. Ugly. I got the ghost. Let's go. Barney is a honey. He is so fat and ugly, and he doesn't even know about anything. Hey, monster! Hey, monster! Dude, you Humpty Dumpty sat on a wall. You didn't know there was a monster good after all. Dude, I was there trying to kill that monster. How did he even walk into him? Oh my god. I've been recording for so long right now. Man, there's another ghosty here. There's a ghost! Where are you going? Ghosty, where are you going? Where are you? Ghosty, where are you going? I'm dribbling over you.
Being small has its advantages. Okay?
Can I grab it?
Dog.
How do you know it's a dangerous shot?
Rashy told me. No, actually not Rashy. The mystery guy.
Oh. I don't like the ghost storms. I hate the ghosties. There's two smiley critters. Touch.
Where's the smiley critter?
Help me, I'm dead. Okay, you can touch me. Hey! How dare you stole my maple syrup? Dude, where is the ghost even coming?
There is.
How big the farting ghost?
I'll try to
Can you do it? There's a ghost behind you! told you how, dude. Hey, dog, come to. Why is he not he's attracted to me? There's a lot of ghosts. Now let me be touched by a ghost.
You do it! I have low sanity.
Get the other coffee.
I have low sanity. I have low sanity. I have low sanity.
Hey, coffee!
I have low coffee.
Dude, that's not low sanity, bro. I have way more lower than that, and I'm not drinking my coffee. Dude, this is a hard
You
game.
gotta treat passion.
I know.
I'll do room 4.
I'm on 3. You can get thermal. Okay, guys, I'm gonna end it here. Should I end it here?
Nope.
Will I?
Until one of us die. That will never happen.
If one of us dies, or if we found the Ratu, which will give us the key.
Now we don't want the secret.
Wait, if you give Ratina the picture, the stalker will actually get it. Did you know there's actually a stalker anomaly? I'm helping.
No, I don't need you.
Okay, go look. I actually did one of these before and they were hard to do by solo. Did you just fart? Mom, stop lying, bro. You always fart. Admitted that you fart a lot. No, first of all, why did you even put like a YouTube channel named to McFurry? We're not even a furry.
I'm not you. I am the ruler of the channel.
No, you're not, bro. No, bro, you're not.
Of the boys does not.
What was the second one you said? Is that with the B? What was that? What did you say that word? Balls. You said that. Barney is a horny. He is so fat and ugly. He has no razor or a he doesn't even love you. I get the medicine. Dude, anomaly. Where are you? Barney is a horny. The roommate is an anomaly. We need a taser over here right now. Dude, I wanna. Barney is a horny. A mimic is eating. Gay patient over there, so you better not gonna her. Barney is a horny. He is so fat and ugly. He has no reason. He doesn't even love you. Is that correct? Was all the sentences correct? Barney is a horny. He is so fat and ugly. He doesn't even love you. Dude, we gotta treat a patient in room 1. Wait, no, I already did room 1. Bro, we got fire. We forgot about the ugly medicine. Barney is a horny. He is so fat and ugly. He has no reason. He doesn't even love you. got 0 deaths. Good. Do that. Bro, where's the fucking gun? Level 1! What are the odds, dude? What are the odds? Oh yeah, get it. Barney is a honey. He is so fat and ugly. Why don't like look at a ring? I just don't want it. Hello? Can you put the security camera? Are you an anomaly? No, you aren't. Are you a cardinal or normal? Except the toothpaste. Oh yay, it's a new coffee machine. Barney is a honey. I need coffee. I'm 30 cents a deal. I'm like a 5, dude. Barney is a honey. He's so fat and ugly. He doesn't even have any more rest. Dude, I'm not buying anything. Barney is a honey. He is so ugly and fat and dumb. He doesn't even know the alphabet. Do wear shift 8. The one will. When you will. Dude, one. What room are you going to? 5. Barney is a honey. Why? Yeah. Stop. Why do you want to shock me? Barney's back! Dude, don't shock me. No, what?
have coffee right now, so you're gonna sit here, okay? Gonna sit.
Well, why do you want to taste it? The coffee is not done, dude. But if you just don't give Barney the coffee and rejected him,
No, do not.
why? What happens?
No, we will lose the coffee machine.
Barney is a honey. He's so fat and ugly and doesn't even. Barney is a honey. He's so fat and ugly.
Keep pooping.
Bro, I don't want to be the poop master. I didn't have to spray it. Let me stuck the squirtle cameras. Perfectly perfectos. Okay, you're perfect, bro. Bro, you only have 3. You have 30 more seconds, Barney. Give her coffee. You're not holding any coffee. I want to give him it. No, baby, papa, shoot mana, see, mana, dino.
Mr. Rascal.
No, you do it. Her name is Rascal. Please, I want it. Then you know what? treat Matthew. I will go in room 6. Oh God. Someone else is in room 6. So Barney. Rafi. You got away, my boy. You got away, bro. Dude, I've been almost recording for like about an hour. I think this video is gonna be like an hour long or so. But
Fix the cam.
why are you crying, bro?
I'm not crying.
No, why is Matthew crying? Why is Matthew crying? Matthew, stop. Remember? Look at Matthew. Man, he's so cute. He's cute, by the way. Don't let that picture of feet, ma. Bandage and IV drop. I totally heard.
Wait.
Is there a monster? Dude. No, that's not called an anomaly. That's called a mimic. Bro.
Do we have a mint tea in stock?
Huh?
Mint tea?
What the fort are you saying?
Mint tea.
We don't have mint tea. And animal
Arnold came and he wants a mint tea.
Actually,
Yeah.
bro, talk. But you're lying. He doesn't want to miss. He doesn't want a mint tea. Thank you. I need coffee right now. Barney, is that honey? You want some? You want some? Why you leaving, Barn? Why you leaving, Matthew? Matthew, don't leave. Don't walk past me. Aww. If you do, Barn, like this. Ow. No, please don't leave. We could talk about this. We could talk about this. Ow. Bye-bye. Barney in the honey, yes, I do. This is all your power. I need coffee and maple. Anybody is on me? I will do. If they what you need? You need IV drops. Here is your IV drops. But what does even IV drops need to do? Is recovering? Is one recovering? Dude, I'm literally looking at you. Hello? Hello? I don't have a case. this is not good. What did I get wrong? Stress. The who did not do room 7? Don't tell me I have to do room 7. I forgot I gotta set this up. Let's see who can get it first. I can literally move while doing it. So this is going to be much easier. I don't know where I'm going. All I know is that I just got the coffee. Dude, this is a hard one, but we haven't gotten past 10, right? Okay, I think 30. I could just uncharge it. Wait, was it uncharged before? Oh yeah. I'm not gonna charge it. I'm coming. Okay, so where's Dr. Harlow going? I don't know. What the Jesus Christ was that?
Dr. Hello.
What did you say?
That's not the hello phone, Daddy.
What the foot feathers? How do you always forget to do that? You need medicine and maple syrup. How much battery? Yeah, but I'm tapping through in here. It's Mrs. Barney. Mrs. Barney is the Mrs. For what? Nah, I'm not getting anything. Barney is a honey. Coffee. Goofy. You have a coffee. Give him the coffee. After I do something. I almost forgot about this important rule. Always give him the scalpel if he needs it. I think this one has been... For a favor. Here's your scalpel. Here's your scalpel, Mrs. Barney. Here is a scalpel, Mrs. Barney. Hey. You know what? I'm gonna take this back. Hey. Okay, now after Barney should come. And we're not gonna trade in Barney because we don't want Barney to be in trade because he is so friendly and ugly, but he is so fat and he has no riz. So that's why he cannot get any girls because he has no riz. And Aura, he doesn't even have any love and no, yeah. He doesn't even have a girlfriend. His only girlfriend is Mrs. Barney. I do this one. No, I'm doing this. Hiding secret. Wait, except Barney. Barney's not hiding secret. Wait, let's do the double. Let's do double, okay? Okay. Hurry up. I got room 7. Okay. Do room 7. What room? I want to do room 3. I want to do room 3. bro. Bro, I wish I have a chocolate bar right now.
Unbelievable. I can this unbelievable.
Bro, stop farting. Bro, it's almost been an hour. It's almost been like an hour.
Run
bro.
some accounting.
And bro, who names this from Run from Accounting, dude?
Bam, bam, bam. Ew, that's so smelly.
Here's a medikit for you. I don't care. I'm getting a medikit. I don't care. I'm getting a medikit. I don't care what it is. I'm looking down. I want a medikit for you. Oh, that was the right patient. Barney is a honey. He is so fat and ugly. He has no reason or he doesn't need me loving. Here's a cop. Barney is healing. He has no reason or bruh. Is anyone in here? Yeah. Don't keep messing it up. That's it, right? Good one. Medikit, and no one will know. Thermal medikit and IV drops. Thermal medikit. No. Yes, we're finally done again with Barney. Barney is a honey. He is so ugly and fat. Mr. Officer Dockman, there's nothing to see here. Officer Dockman. Look at a banana. Hold on. Hold on, let me go get a plate. I'll be back when I got it. Okay, I just got the plate. When is Officer Duckman going to appear? Officer Duck. I got 3 copies. Okay. When is Officer Doctor? When is the doctor going to come? Duckleberry. Why did the door automatically open? That's nothing to worry about. Niners. Whoever comes in here will be. Where are you? Where are ya? Huh? Someone inside of here? Barney. Talk. Maybe I'll shift 10. Dude, I wonder if it's even going going to be daytime. I heard a hiss sound. There was a ghost over here. I have maple syrup. Ha 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 ha. Out. No, you got the banana. I'm not it. I just rode on the banana. Who cares about yours? That the sink is on. I officially have now 4 coffees. I need some coffee. Who cares about you? I gotta put this in charge. I have to put it in charge. Dude, there is an extinguisher. Man, motherfucker! I do room 5, you do room 4, okay? Let me go and shop. What? Oh, a new item! I got the new item. I can see. Hurry! You're the one that's pissing on fire. Dude, what is it? I can't kill anyone. I can do 3 quadrillion things at the same time. Oh god, Uh-oh. No. If you enjoyed this video, make sure you like and subscribe.